Hi guys, welcome back. It's a new week, so we've got a new video for you this week. And this week's going to be a little bit different. Decided to mix it up a bit and keep you guys guessing. So decided to do a modelling challenge in Solidworks for you guys. So kept it quite light-hearted, and it's on the Christmas theme, as I'm sure you all get pretty excited for Christmas, as do I. So it is a start, and we will jump in a minute and take a look. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, hi guys, welcome. My name's Dan Mogridge. I'm a design consultant based in the UK and created the channel to have a bit of fun and share my design knowledge with you guys. So I hope you are enjoying it, and if you're new, then come along for the journey. So I'm just going to jump in and take a look. I'm going to show you the objective, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a step file, and there'll be a link in the description, so you guys can access it for reference to model, and just have a bit of fun. It'll get you thinking about how you can do stuff. So yeah, we'll jump in and have a look. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we're just going to jump in. So this is the objective of the modelling exercise. It's a simple star. There's a few little tricky elements to it, but nothing too taxing. So just have a go and see how you get on. If you've got any problems, drop me a comment, and I'll obviously try and help. And we'll be interested to see how you go about it. There's a couple different ways you can go about it, but I'll be interested to see what your thoughts are, and let me know how you got on, if you found it easy or difficult, or yeah, let me know. Perhaps you could take a screenshot of your feature tree, and or even comment on what you used to do it and what your thoughts were. And like I said, I just wanted to do something a little bit different, really. And have a bit of fun. So yeah, hopefully you find it enjoyable mostly. And yeah, if you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, and yeah, there'll be more content coming next week. So what I'm planning to do is, depending on how people get on, I'm gonna show you my the way that I did it, and yeah, and we can talk about how other people did it as well. So alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.